Someone's nails can tell a lot about them. If you see someone with discolored and brittle nails, it could tell a lot about their overall health. Most people would like their nails to be strong and to grow fast. Nails are made of protein, or keratin, which is the same as your hair. Overall, fingernails tend to grow very slow, though not as slow as your toenails. They grow about 1/10 of an inch each month. This does not include children and pregnant women, whose nails tend to grow very quickly. Sometimes changes in your body, aging, chemotherapy, medication and other nutrient deficiency can make your nails grow even slower. It is important to eat properly and take good care of your nails to ensure their health. Today we will discuss some additional remedies that you can use to keep your nails healthy and growing quickly. 1. Coconut oil. Coconut oil is a jack of all trades. That is, it can help in many areas, including your nails. It contains essential nutrients that your body needs to keep your nails moist and strong. The oil also helps to strengthen your cuticles, get rid of hangnails and fight cuticle infections. To use, make the extra virgin coconut oil warm and massage it into your hands and nails each night before bed. You can also soak your nails in the following mixture: omega cup of organic coconut oil, cup honey and 4 drops of rosemary essential oil. Warm this mixture in the microwave for 20 seconds and then soak your nails in it for about 15 minutes. Repeat this once or twice per week for best results. 2. Olive oil. Olive oil has the ability to deeply penetrate into your skin and nail beds. Because olive oil contains vitamin E, it helps your blood to circulate more efficiently, improves any damaged nails and strengthens your nails. Just take warm olive oil each night and massage it into your hands and nails for about 5 minutes. Then, cover with cotton gloves while you sleep. Repeat this daily for best results. You can also make a nail soak with warm olive oil and place your fingernails in the mixture for about 15 to 30 minutes per day. This will help your nails to grow more quickly. 3. Lemons. The vitamin C found in lemons helps your nails to grow quickly, to remove any stains or discoloration and to give your nails a healthy shine. You can soak your nails in 1 tablespoon of lemon juice and 3 tablespoons of olive oil. Before placing your fingernails in it, heat the mixture in the microwave and then soak for 10 minutes. You can repeat this daily. It is also helpful to rub a slice of lemon directly onto your nails for 5 minutes. Then, rinse off with warm water. After doing this, apply a moisturizer. Prior to doing this, ensure that you do not have any cuts or hangnails, or it will sting. 4. Orange juice. Just like lemons, the vitamin C in orange juice helps to keep your nails healthy. Orange juice also contains folic acid, which helps your nails to grow quickly. Take some fresh orange juice and soak your nails for approximately 10 minutes. Then, rinse with warm water and add moisturizer. Do this once per day for the best results. 5. Biotin. Biotin, also known as vitamin K, is a vitamin that is essential in nail growth because it helps your body produce keratin. Biotin is found in certain foods, like eggs, carrots, tomatoes, cauliflower, cucumber, strawberries, oats and walnuts. It can also be taken as a supplement. However, we recommend always consulting your doctor before beginning a new supplement, as you do not want to experience any ill side effects or complications with any medication that you may be taking. 6. Horsetail. Horsetail has been used by the Greeks and Romans for many, many years for nail growth. This makes sense since it contains calcium, silica and other essential minerals. To use, add a teaspoon of dried horsetail stems to 2 cups of boiling water. Cover and allow the mixture to steep for 10 to 15 minutes. Then, strain and let it cool. Use this mixture to soak your nails for 20 minutes. Repeat this at least 4 times per week to see the best results. Horsetail can also be consumed as a tea once per day and it will help the growth of your nails. 7. Protein. As we discussed earlier, your nails are made up of a type of protein called keratin. So, if you add more protein to your diet, you will see an increase in your nail growth. If you notice white spots on your nails, or weakness to them, you may have a lack of protein in your body. In order to rectify this, eat plenty of meats that contain protein, such as pork, beef, poultry and fish. Leafy greens, legumes and nuts also contain protein. You can also find protein in powder form that can be added to milk or yogurt to make smoothies out of. However, be sure to consult your doctor before adding any protein supplements to your diet. Other tips: when you are cleaning or using harsh chemicals, be sure to use gloves and protective gear. Do not bite or scratch your nails, as it can make them become weak. Cut your nails on a regular basis. Just as with hair, when you trim your nails, it will stimulate growth. Always apply a moisturizer, such as petroleum jelly, to your nails and hands to keep them from getting dry. Let your nails be exposed to sunlight early in the morning to help your body create vitamin D, which helps your nails grow. Exercising will help your blood to circulate and will help your body to speed up processes, including nail growth. Consult your doctor about adding a multivitamin to your daily regime that can help with the health of your nails. Do you do any of these tricks to help your nails? Are you going to try any of these remedies? Let us know in our comment section.